In this video, we're giving you our picks for 5 places to visit in the US in 2025. The US has diverse destinations, regional foods, and awesome cities worth exploring. Whether you're looking for an outdoor adventure, a city tour, or something more relaxing, our list of 5 destinations has something for everyone. These are places we've been to. We'll share why we think they should be on your radar this year. And stay tuned to the end because the last destination might surprise you. So hop in the car or book a ticket. We're heading across the USA. Welcome to Travel at Random. We're Trevor and Ryan. This channel started out of a love of travel. We're here to share unbiased and self-funded trip reports, hotel and flight reviews, and travel advice. We hope we inspire your next getaway. Check out our playlist in the description and browse the channel. If you enjoy the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to keep up with our latest content. Thanks for watching. Now, let's check out our 5 summer destinations across the USA. Starting with number 5, Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. The US is home to 63 national parks, from Hawaii to Alaska and across the country. But if you want to feel like you're really in another world and visit the national park that started it all, head to Yellowstone. On March 1st, 1872, Yellowstone became the first national park. The park's known for its unique hydrothermal and geologic features and extensive wildlife. Within Yellowstone's 2.2 million acres, visitors have unparalleled opportunities to visit and observe wildlife in an intact ecosystem. Explore geothermal areas that contain about half of the world's active geysers, and view geologic wonders like the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone River and the famous Old Faithful Geyser. The park's located in the northwest corner of Wyoming, with portions extending into Montana and Idaho. If you're flying, look for flights into Jackson Hole, Wyoming, about 45 minutes to the south, or Bozeman, Montana to the north. Keep in mind the park is large, so it can take days to explore. The entrance fee is $35 for a private vehicle. We recommend an annual America the Beautiful Park Pass, which gets you into all of the national parks. The annual park pass costs $80. If you're active duty military, you can get the military annual pass for free. And seniors 62 and over can buy a lifetime America the Beautiful Pass for $80. For Yellowstone, we recommend buying your pass in advance or prepay your park entry online. The lines at the entrances can get long during the summer. If you want to beat the crowds, wait until after Labor Day to visit. But visit before winter, when many of the park roads are closed due to snow. There are lodges in the park, but you can also find nearby accommodations in Montana, Idaho, and Jackson, Wyoming. Keep in mind the drive to the park from some of these locations can take a few hours depending on the location. Number 4, New York City. New York is the most populous city in the US and offers something for everyone. I know that sounds cliche, but it really does. If you're a foodie, there are amazing options, from multi-Michelin star restaurants to affordable bagel joints and delicatessen. New York City is comprised of 5 boroughs: Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Staten Island, and Manhattan. Manhattan is what most visitors think of when they think of New York City. Home to the Empire State Building, Times Square, Broadway, and Central Park. Manhattan is flanked by the Hudson River on the west and the East River to the east. On the southern tip is Ellis Island and the Statue of Liberty. While the Big Apple can be intimidating, if you do your research, it's actually a great city to visit. There are dozens of museums, including the Met and American Museum of Natural History. You can spend hours exploring Central Park or take a stroll down Broadway towards Times Square. Taxis and ride shares are easy to use in New York. The city's subway system is also incredibly efficient and inexpensive. Use Google Maps to route your trip, and it'll even tell you which subway entrance to use. New York is served by 3 main airports: Newark, LaGuardia, and JFK. The city is also a big hub for Amtrak. However you get there, pack comfortable walking shoes and get ready to explore. Number 3, Chicago, Illinois. Known as the Windy City, this Midwestern destination offers a rich array of experiences. Chicago boasts iconic landmarks such as the Willis Tower, formerly the Sears Tower, and the John Hancock Center, which provide breathtaking views of the city skyline and Lake Michigan. Both have observation levels that you can visit. The city's cultural scene is equally immersive, with world-class museums like the Art Institute of Chicago and the Field Museum of Natural History. Music lovers will find a haven in Chicago with blues venues and a major center for jazz. Foodies will delight in Chicago's diverse culinary landscape. The city is most famous for its deep dish pizza, a must-try for any visitor, but its food offerings extend far beyond this iconic dish. From upscale dining establishments to casual eateries, Chicago presents a wide range of cuisine to satisfy every palate. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to enjoy in Chicago's extensive parks and green spaces. Millennium Park, home to the famous Bean sculpture, offers a variety of attractions, including gardens, performance spaces, and interactive art installations. Grant Park, another large green space along the lakefront, hosts numerous festivals and events throughout the year. Lake Michigan provides opportunities for boating, swimming, and simply enjoying the scenic views. The Chicago Riverwalk, a pedestrian path along the river, offers a unique perspective of the city and is perfect for a leisurely stroll. Try to get over to Wrigley Field to watch a Cubs game. This iconic, old-school baseball stadium is like a time capsule and a must-visit for any fan. The city is served by two airports, Chicago O'Hare and Midway. Transportation in Chicago is convenient and efficient, with options including taxis, ride-sharing services, and an extensive public transit system known as the L. The L train system connects various parts of the city and its suburbs, making it easy to get around and explore different neighborhoods. Whether you're looking for cultural immersion, culinary delights, outdoor adventures, or simply a taste of the big city life, Chicago offers a captivating experience for every traveler. Number 2. Puerto Rico. Yes, this island in the Caribbean is part of the United States. Most visitors fly into San Juan's International Airport, which is located in the largest city on the island, San Juan. Puerto Rico is convenient to get to as it's about a 2-hour flight from Miami, 4 hours from New York City, and about 4.5 hours from Dallas, Texas. You don't need a passport to travel to Puerto Rico from the US. The island was claimed by the Spanish in 1493. In Old San Juan, you can visit the old Spanish fort that used to guard the entrance to the port. The U.S. acquired Puerto Rico after the Spanish-American War in 1898. Today, it's a U.S. territory and home to more than 3 million people. Because of Puerto Rico's long history and its diverse population, there is amazing food to explore. While distinctly Puerto Rican, it's similar to food from Cuba, the Bahamas, and other Central American countries. San Juan is a modern city. We recommend spending a couple of days here to explore Old San Juan, which is where the old Spanish fort is located. Old San Juan features cobblestone streets and narrow paths, and if you take a cruise to Puerto Rico, this is where your ship will dock. After exploring San Juan, get out of the city and explore. The island's big, and there are other cities and towns to check out, and some incredible beaches. You'll also find eco-friendly adventures inland, such as hiking and trekking through the rainforest. And number 1, we're heading back to Wyoming to one of our favorite national parks, Grand Teton. Often overlooked by its bigger neighbor to the north, Yellowstone, Grand Teton stretches to the south to Jackson, Wyoming. In fact, Jackson Hole's airport is inside of Grand Teton National Park. The park's home to the Teton Range, a line of mountain peaks along the west side of Teton County. Grand Teton is the highest peak at 13,775 feet. Or 4,199 meters. Visitors to the park are treated to incredible alpine hikes, high elevation pristine lakes, and diverse wildlife. We visited Grand Teton both in the summer and winter, and the park is magical any time of the year. In the summer, there are fantastic single or multi-day hikes. We've encountered moose, elk, bald eagles, coyotes, and bison. The park is also known for its grizzly bear population. The park fee is the same as Yellowstone, $35. If you have an America the Beautiful pass, it will get you into both parks. There is camping and some lodging near the park, but we also recommend heading south just a few minutes into Jackson, Wyoming. This mountain town is home to fantastic restaurants, shopping, grocery stores, and some great hotels. If you're into landscape photography, get up early to catch the sunrise. As the sun comes up, the Teton Range changes from gray to flowing orange. It's definitely worth the early wake-up call. And that's our list for 5 places in the USA that should be on your short list to visit in 2025. We tried to include a little of something for everyone, from wild outdoor adventures to big cities to an island paradise in the Caribbean. Let us know in the comments some of your favorite spots in the US. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That is the best way to let us know how we're doing and to grow the channel. We really appreciate it. We've included a link to our hotel review playlist down in the description as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.